A range of optional Cochlear accessories are available to help you wear your sound processor securely and safely. The Cochlear HugFit holds a sound processor in place more securely than a standard ear hook alone. Alternatively, the Cochlear SnugFit is designed for larger ears and allows for customized fit depending on the activity being undertaken. To attach the SnugFit or HugFit, start by removing the ear hook and the battery module. Attach the SnugFit or HugFit, making sure the metal hook is properly seated. Then replace the battery module. If you are doing vigorous activity, you may like to add a Cochlear safety cord to your sound processor for extra security. There is a safety cord for 1 or 2 sound processors. For more information, visit our website.